Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Nike membership, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the cancellation process, log into your Nike account on their official website. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the section labeled membership or subscriptions. Click on this section to view your current membership details. Locate the option for cancel membership or something similar. Read through any information provided about the cancellation process. If you're ready to proceed, click on Cancel Membership. You may be asked to confirm your decision. Follow the prompts to finalize the cancellation. After completing this step, you should receive a confirmation email regarding your membership cancellation. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Nike customer service for assistance. They can help you resolve any problems you might face during the cancellation process. Remember, viewing the terms and conditions of your membership can provide additional insight. This ensures you understand any potential charges or consequences related to your cancellation. Once canceled, you will no longer have access to membership benefits. Keep this in mind as you decide whether to rejoin in the future. Your Nike account will remain active unless you choose to delete it entirely. To confirm the account status, simply log back in to ensure everything appears as expected. Now you have successfully navigated the cancellation of your Nike membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.